enipa omba sorry no bebre say omoba all night no e yele kasi for mama refe mama pass agile for musika which that's what in the way I saw the people go bia it is kara kwa uka kwa homa for the it no e ka sa tira o say nyame djuma no tada asaneti monam fam no de e de ne fa nyame
Abusia for Yadaswa war mammy agrada ni 15 years imprisonment as abre court ede amano no na ne kunu Mr. Ishema baba kasa abra no ne ayese wa amehia etwetwe nkomo na Mr. Ishema de ababa tudwe se de nam so pa ne court ebua eye mammy agrada for ema yede no akwa akoto efiase ene se yebeka kan ye be ye mfihia mienu entamini ewia ketekete na video bi share sese quality a na efi ma me agrada sorry ewo weja wan krampunkuni mantemu na asori ma bi ensu etwe dwadwo se ma me agrada eka chom so wo mfa sika mbara se de be wo bobo ho ntansa e de amomo na sa sika na oje ntansa na amba wo musika ten nso amma asem ko kodan court na no na omo atwe ho darera twa nde court no ebua asem no yebeka se abra yoko echiche ma no ntumi no ma me agrada kokopie mu ewo yoko ehonom ana nkofo bibi na esusu se ono ni influence na am so na yejai na and then she mu aba betu dem sense was I issue na and so na na kasa ko capacity na court ni kria e one se okonkoda e and on this one here, actually, come on, they were born as yes, it will be a tour. The actual the Americans and the Quack say, who beat them out, their chief, share a do Copem say, let's show now. I'm a and it's one more which I say you go see the banner and then the capa and if I go with me for side chicks in the way on the banner. Was this house and although no media money that I am and I who can be and no I said Rebecca Swa agent Sarah and a national as far as Rebecca Swa and said
something which is not it happened to Jesus Christ. Jesus came Jesus was not allowed to.
Go. Papa. Say I all night. Enipa omba sorry no bebre say omoba all night no e yele kasi for mama refe mama pass agile for musika which that's what in the way I saw the people go bia it is kara kwa uka kwa homa for the it no e ka sa tira o say nyame djuma no tada asaneti monam fam no de e de ne fa nyame
na Mr. Esiama de na no din sem etu dwepe na eye mami agrada ne lawyer Richard Asare Bafo ono so ene nsɛmtwɛfo atwetwe nkɔmɔ no kyerɛ nyame yɛ adoma adwoada ɛyɛ de wɔn bɛsan akɔkɔt n'anim na wɔn kɔt na kɔtwe pa wɔn ɛmma na maame agrada nkɔnkɔda efiase mfinhyia eduenum afisɛ saa asama yɛ de ato no so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ 2020 no mu no ɛyɛ sika 480 cedis ɛna nam so na asam no bɛdan kɔto na 480 cedis yɛ de ne yɛkɔda ho efiase mfinhyia eduenum na kyerɛ sɛ court na otena asam no so sa judge no bu asam no when bua ma me agrada se onkonko de efiase mfihia edu enum efise bɔne a wayɛ na mmom nipa su ɛne nipa ban a maame agrada ayɛ no ɛno na nam so ɛma saa bere deɛ wɔnom ebua no ɛyɛ saa afɔ sɛ nkonko de fiase mfihyia edu enum enti maame agrada akɔ de nanso n'echi ɛnkata ayɛ ne lawyer so mbɛkɔ so agyinam na wɔn ne court no apre kɔpem sɛ court no ɛbɛte ɛyɛ ɛso na bi mu so ɛkyerɛ sɛ agye afɔre mpo ne sika bebrebe ɔkɔkɔ de mu kyerɛ sɛ mfihyia baako pɛ waba Emma Sabri or Ginny. Now, for a day, and 80 cities, and one is an number, and a mammy agrada Bacco de Fias Fisher and Lumet and a lawyer, Richard Asari, Baffo, as a woman empress, if he said court, and it bois, someone said. Mammy agrada and you pursue, and then me papaya or your mum, and your bonia with the Fsicano, and Sikakumedia, or no so, or the side and some free at Tuja.
Not what you were looking for.
Yes. Court Nakasa.
English, give us English, please.
Yeah, the court has spoken, but we disagree with everything the court said. But in spite of our disagreement, it is what it is. We will trigger processes to getting her out. You see, when prosecution closed this case, we made it very clear that there are some charges which no evidence were led. The court disagreed with us, but in today's judgment, she acquitted and discharged her of count 4 and count 5, saying no evidence was led during the trial. So if no evidence was led during the trial, what basis do you order us to open our defense in the first place? So the fact that the court acquitted and discharged her on count 4 and count 5, on grounds that no evidence was led, is an indicative of the fact that the court itself agreed with us that it erred when it asked us to open our defense in respect of count 4 and count 5. With respect of count 1 to count 3, we are very clear in our mind that there are several other pieces of evidence on record. If considerations were given to them, it would not have come to the conclusions that the court came. We will trigger processes on Monday, and we believe that the sentence of 15 years is just excessive.
It's too excessive.
Yes. Even the amount involved is just 540 Ghana cedis. How can you be alleged to have defrauded somebody for 540 cedis and then be convicted for 15 years? I'm very clear in my mind that Agrada has been jailed just because of who she is and not because of what she is alleged to have done.
The manner in which the matters raised are concerned, especially so because the court also made the point that she never showed remorse.
That's an observation made by the court, and we have said that we disagree. Everything from the one to today, the lady has always appeared before court, not for once that she said she's not going to come to court. We believe that these sentences are passed just to appease the public because of probably who she is. But if it's about the case, the evidence and the law that we observe. In fact, if you say you are acquitting and discharging her of count 4 and count 5 on the basis that no evidence was led, then the question is, at the time that you ordered her to open her defense, clearly there's an error. So we believe that even if, how can you convict somebody for 15 years on some of these offenses? So we believe that the fact that you also ordered us to open our defense when you were very clear in your mind that there was no evidence on record, is an indicative of a premeditated mind. So we will take steps to have all these things to do that.
Let me also add that